Am I the only one that didn't know you can do awesome science experiments right at home? Well, if you're like me and had no idea, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into some super fun and easy science experiments that you can do with everyday items found around your house. Let's get started. First up, the classic volcano eruption. This is a timeless experiment that never fails to amaze. It's perfect for kids and adults alike, and it's a fantastic way to learn about chemical reactions. All you need is baking soda, vinegar, and a bit of food coloring. These simple ingredients create a spectacular eruption that mimics a real volcano. Start by mixing the baking soda and food coloring in a cup. The food coloring adds a fun visual element to the experiment, making the eruption look even more realistic. Once you have your mixture ready, pour in the vinegar and watch the magic happen. The reaction between the baking soda and vinegar causes a fizzy eruption that will leave you in awe. Next, let's create a rainbow in a jar. This experiment is not only beautiful but also teaches you about density and how different liquids interact with each other. To create your rainbow, layer different colored liquids like honey, dish soap, water, and oil. Each liquid has a different density, which allows them to stack on top of each other without mixing. Watch how they stack up without mixing. It's like creating a piece of art in a jar. The vibrant layers are sure to impress anyone who sees it. Finally, the balloon rocket. This experiment is all about demonstrating the principles of physics, specifically Newton's third law of motion. Tape a straw to a balloon, thread a string through the straw, and tie the ends of the string to two objects. When you let go of the balloon, the air rushing out propels it along the string, just like a rocket. These experiments are not only super fun, but they also teach you cool science principles. They are a great way to spend time with family and friends while learning something new. So, grab your materials and let's get experimenting. Whether you're a science enthusiast or just looking for a fun activity, these experiments are sure to provide hours of entertainment and education. Happy experimenting!